Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's family channel. So today guys, as you can see, according to the topic, I will be unboxing my new Samsung S20. So I just got it today. As you can see, it's still sealed. So I just want to unbox it with you guys. So as you can see it. So now I've used a Samsung before, but it's old. It was many years ago. Have used Samsung, so but for now I've been using iPhones for many years now. So this is my first time of trying out. I was using those old Samsung of those days then like 10 years ago, but this new modem Samsung, I've never used it before. I prefer using the iPhone. So I just decided to give this phone a try because I've heard a lot of people talking about this new. Just decided to give it a try, guys. So let's unbox it together, guys. I'm trying to open it. I need to take. Okay, look at it, guys. Look at the way this. Okay, this is the back. I don't know what is this, but I have to check. Okay, what is this? Okay, look at it. I think this is the pin they use to open the place where you can insert your SIM card. So I don't know what it insert. Okay, I think this is the manual. This is how it came. Yes, this one is the start guide, quick start guide. So okay, that is it. Then let me see, guys. To keep this. Look at the phone. This is it. Wow. So I choose this color. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at the front. It's expensive, but I like this color because I've been using black phones all my life. So this time I decided to change the color. So this is it. So guys, look at it. Look at it. Then, wow, I love this color. Ooh. But it's a little bit small for my liking because I like a phone that is a little bit wide, but I think it's still okay. Look at it. It's very portable and small. Then, what do we have inside the carton? Okay. This is the okay, this is the charger. So, and okay, this here is the rope for charging it. So this is the rope, and it came like this. The Catholic Church opposite my house, they are ringing their bell. So guys, and this, what is this? Okay, and this is the last one. Inside it came like this. I think this, okay, this is the earpiece inside. Okay, I just want to keep it. That is that. So I'm just going to put it on to see. I'm going to put it on. I'm trying to on it to see, to test it. See, it can show it's loading. Okay, I have to change the language to English. And, okay. Okay. Look at it. So it's just asking me to get started. So guys, this is the phone. I can't wait to snap some lovely pics and to record some video with this my new phone. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.